It is 6:36 this morning. The Alabama Department of Public Health said we're just weeks away from phase 1 of its plan to distribute COVID-19 vaccines.
In fact, the state health officer says the plan will be finalized and ready to implement by December 7th, which could be just days before the FDA approves the first vaccine.
WAAY 31 Sarah Phillips joins us live now with how the state's preparing for this first wave of distribution. Sierra?
This morning, we know that CDC representatives were here in Alabama just last week to discuss just that, vaccine distribution here in our state. But we know there's still plenty to discuss when it comes to the plan. State Health Officer Dr. Scott Harris explained that they're currently trying to find healthcare workers to facilitate in distributing that vaccine. He said they're looking at options for pharmacies and even dental offices to operate as places where people can get vaccinated. He also said that having more locations available will make it easier for the state to get vaccines to those vulnerable populations, especially in rural areas where there may not be as many hospitals. They'll go to frontline workers first to take care of those who are in a high risk of complications with the coronavirus and those who are often around people with the coronavirus. He said he's confident the vaccines will be effective at protecting them from the virus.
Hearing that all three of the products so far have 90% or more effectiveness. The AstraZeneca, at least in one of its dosing regimens, has about 90% effectiveness. The higher the effectiveness, of course, the fewer number you actually have to reach. But I think our goal is to make sure we're protecting all those people who are most vulnerable.
He also added that vaccine distribution is based on state population, and Alabama could get 100,000 vaccines in its initial shipment. Reporting live in Decatur, Sierra Phillips, WAAY 31 News.